Hello, I'm Jared Bazzano, Digital Design Manager at Tru-Scapes. Today, we're looking at our most advanced model, the 400-watt Wi-Fi transformer. This unit gives you full control of your outdoor lighting from your phone. In the box, you'll find the 400-watt Wi-Fi Tru-Scapes transformer, a printed instruction sheet, and the included mounting screws. Let's get started. Plug the unit into a 120-volt outlet and connect your low-voltage wires. Hold the small button next to the Wi-Fi icon until the green light starts blinking. Go to your App Store and download our Tru-Scapes app. Open the Tru-Scapes app, tap Add Device in the top right corner, then select Transformer. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This will not work on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Once the green light turns solid, you're connected. Using the app, tap the transformer name to access full controls. Use the top power button to control all zones at once. Use zone buttons to control each section individually. You can rename zones, adjust brightness, and set custom schedules. For example, on at sunset, off at 11 p.m. Troubleshooting tips. If you can't connect, make sure you're on a 2.4 GHz network. If the green light doesn't blink, hold the button longer or unplug and replug. Double check your Wi-Fi password. It's case sensitive. Still having trouble? Hold the button for 10 seconds to reset. If the signal is weak, move closer to your router or use a Wi-Fi extender. This transformer gives you full lighting control, anytime, anywhere. That's it. Smart, powerful, and built to put your lighting in the palm of your hand.